Hey, this is Mike. One of my viewers wrote me and asked me to talk about what the bench dogs are used for. What do you use them for? How do they help? Okay, I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, one of the things I like to use the bench dogs for is this jig I made in a previous video on the turning your belt sander into an edge sander. This thing comes right out. You can use it as a belt sander. It slips right back in. And what I do is I have a bench dog here. I have one right here. And I crank it tight. And this thing doesn't move. Doesn't move. Shaking the whole bench. That's one reason why I like to use the bench dogs. And another one is, I'll show you in 1 second. Okay, another reason why I like using these is, let's say I want a board right here. This board, I want to work on it, I want to route it. And I'll crank this tight. Okay, we got that board in here nice and tight. You can take a router, you can route it, you can do whatever you got to do to it. You can put a little fence across it and route it this way. This thing is not moving. So that's pretty much what I use it for. And also, you're using a long board, you can adjust it for that as well. What we'll do is we'll line this up over here. Back this off. Tighten her down. And now this long board, it's not going anywhere. You want to put a route on it. You want to do something different, like use it on edge. You want to take, I don't have my plane here at the moment, but if you want to take a plane and plane it, this isn't going anywhere. That's what you use it for. Like and subscribe.